What's up, guys? That's right, it's me, that guy. A lot of people are talking about dabbing. What is dabbing? Dabbing on haters. Well, don't worry anymore. Adults, old people, really old people, you don't have to worry. I'm here to show you what dabbing on haters really is. It's so simple, even a baby could do it. First off, you don't want to do dabbing the wrong way. A lot of people do dabbing the wrong way. This guy is doing it the wrong way. This guy right here, he's trying too hard. He's dabbing a little bit too much. It's going to reverse the dabbing effect. So, people ask me, that guy, how do you dab? I'm going to show you right now. Imagine just giving a high five to a little boy that's standing to the right or left of you. Just like that. Boom. I'll do it one more time. Boom. Hey, how's it going, little Timmy? You want a little high five? Boom. Dabbing the haters is going to solve all your problems. Trust me on this, folks. Say you got a mortgage this month and you can't pay it. Dabbing on the haters. Wow. Look at that. Say standing around, your body catches fire, your body's burning. Dabbing on the haters. Look at that. You're on the beach, laying on the beach. It's a nice day. Whoa. All you do is dabbing on the haters. Dabbing on the haters. I can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Dabbing on the haters. Oh no, you forgot your anniversary? Dabbing on the haters. Look at that. You got yourself a little fruit basket. Your wife doesn't know you forgot your anniversary. Everything's nice. So you got diagnosed with bad stuff. You know, really bad stuff, and you got diagnosed with it. Dabbing on the haters. Look at that. You got 6-pack abs. Trying to sneak into a little boy's house on Christmas, but he won't let you in. All you gotta do, dabbing the haters. Look at that. He looks like a weird dude. You don't like the president? Dabbing the haters? Wow, look at that. The president's that guy. It's just that simple, folks. I guarantee it. All you gotta do, dabbing the haters, dabbing the haters, dabbing. My heart's beating really fast. I gotta go.